everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week, let's learn how to play Complicated by Avril Lavigne. Now, despite the name, this is quite an easy one to play. In fact, you only need 5 chords, and they are F, D minor, B flat, C and G minor. As always, let me show the chord shapes, and of course, if you already know them, simply skip this part. So you have F, D minor, B flat, C and G minor. Let's start working on the strumming patterns. In this ukulele tutorial, I'm gonna be teaching you the entire song, and so you're looking at more than one strumming pattern. It would be too repetitive to play one pattern only for the entire song. And by the way, this is something that applies to all songs, not just to this one. Anyway, having said that, let's jump straight into the verse. The strumming pattern for the verse goes like this: 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down. Again, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. So, this is the chord progression for the verse. Let's follow it using the strumming pattern you've just learned. So, 3, 4, F, D minor, B flat, C, F, D minor, B flat, C. Okay, so before moving to the chorus, there's a pre-chorus. This is the chord progression, and you can use the same strumming pattern you've used for the verse. So, having said that, let me play it for you. 3, 4, B flat, D minor, B flat, and C. Let's do it one more time. 3, 4, B flat, D minor, B flat, and C. By the way, if you want to play a different strumming pattern here, listen to what the electric guitar is doing and work out a strumming pattern from there. Time for the chorus. In the chorus, you mostly play the same chords but in a different order. This is the chord progression, and in the first part, the one in black, each chord will last for 2 beats, which means that you're gonna be playing 2 chords within one strumming pattern. So let me show you the strumming pattern for the chorus so that you understand better what I mean. The strumming pattern is very simple. It goes like this: 3, 4, down, 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 down. Again, 3, 4, down, 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 down. Like I said, you have 2 chords per strumming pattern. So let's do that. 3, 4, D minor, B flat, F, and C. Again, D minor, B flat, F, and C. Now let's try to add an accent on beat 2 and 4. So that means you're gonna be playing louder on those 2 beats. Alright, let's try. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this makes the pattern sound more interesting, and also it fits better with the vibe of the original recording. When you get to the last 2 chords of the chorus, G minor and B flat, you wanna do something different, and so you're gonna be playing this: 3, 4, G minor, down, 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 B flat, and you only strum down once for it. Let's do it again. 3, 4, G minor, B flat, 2, 3, 4. One more thing, at the end of the first chorus, you have an extra F major. This F major is used as a link between the chorus and the verse. So for this, just strum the same way you strummed for the verse. Now, let me play it including this extra F, of course. 3, 4, G minor, B flat, 2, 3, 4, F. Now that you know the entire chorus, let's put everything together and let's follow the chord progression. So, 3, 4, D minor, B flat, F and C, D minor, B flat, F and C, D minor, B flat, F and C. Careful now, G minor, B flat, 2, 3, 4, F. And back to the verse. Once you know the verse, the pre-chorus and the chorus, you know pretty much the entire song. But if you want to play it all, you're missing the intro and the interlude. For the intro, let's just keep things simple, and you can use the same strumming pattern you used for the chorus. This is the chord progression, let's play it. 3, 4, D minor, F and C, D minor, F and C, again D minor, F and C, last time D minor, F and C. So, notice how on beat 1 and 3 I was strumming mostly the last 2 strings of the ukulele, like this, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, again 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I did this to make the strumming pattern sound punchier and also to differentiate it from the one that I've used for the chorus. So after the second chorus, instead of the extra F major, you have an interlude. So here you don't have to worry about learning anything new. In fact, the chords are the same as the verse, and so you can simply use the same strumming pattern. And like I just said, the chords don't change. Now you know the entire song, and this is the structure, by the way. So let's have a play along, and in the play along I'm gonna be playing intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus and interlude, and then you can decide how to arrange your own cover of Complicated. The play along is gonna be at 78 BPM, which is the tempo of the song in the original recording. So, having said that, get ready, you're about to start playing. The aim of this tutorial was to give you an overview of Complicated by Avril Lavigne so that you can put together your own cover of it. On my Patreon page, you can find the chord chart and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower and another one even slower. Don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn this song. And by the way, if you want to take your playing to the next level, download my free 8-step roadmap, link in the description, that will tell you the exact process I follow to learn the ukulele. Moreover, check out the other links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that I've got available at the moment. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!